You wash your hands before eating, but a second later you pick this up. There are more microbes living on 1 square inch of your smartphone than on the sole of your sneakers after walking through a train station. We took swabs from 10 phones to a lab, and what grew there will make you buy alcohol wipes in bulk. In 10 minutes, I'll show you a superbug found on an ordinary student's phone that isn't afraid of most antibiotics. Bacteria don't just sit on the glass. They create biofilms, a slimy shield made of polysaccharides. This makes them resistant to simple wiping with a cloth. Has the oleophobic coating on your screen worn off? Congratulations, now there are microcanyons where Staphylococcus builds its megacities. Why is a phone case an even more dangerous trap than the screen itself? Test results. Staphylococcus aureus causes acne and boils. You press the phone to your cheek, you're rubbing it into your pores. E. coli, how did it get there? Yes, 75% of people use their phone in the bathroom. The aerosol effect when flushing lifts particles up to 2 meters. Flu and COVID viruses, live on blast for up to 96 hours. A smartphone is a perfect incubator. The processor heats the body to 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Your skin provides moisture and sebum, food. We transfer up to 80% of bacteria from our hands to the screen and back. It's an endless cycle of self-contamination. You wash your hands, touch your phone, and your hands are dirty again. How not to ruin the screen? The main mistake, using household chemicals or pure alcohol damages the screen. Solution, 70% isopropyl alcohol or UV sterilizers, effectiveness breakdown. A clean phone equals clean skin. Stop treating acne, just wash your phone. Send this video to a friend who never lets go of their phone, even at the table. Let them know the truth. Subscribe to the channel, here we explore the microworld and hidden threats every week.